dated 5th August 2019, which substituted the word Constituent Assembly with the word Legislative Assembly. Incidentally, I might just mention that my clients are the beneficiaries subsequent to 5th August 2019.
Actually, you very helpfully identified the 4 key areas in the case,
yes,
which the case turns. 1, 370 itself, and the proviso to 370(3). 2, the use of the amending power under 367. 3, the reorganization. And 4, 356.
Those are really the 4 issues which arise at this.
4 areas, I would say, because there are issues which arise from.
So, with regard to the latter 2, I'm adopting the arguments of the state, of the government.
All right. How would you formulate yours so that then we can...
I submitted written submissions
yes,
2 days ago. Yes, sir. But briefly on the question of sovereignty, where does sovereignty lie? Because it then dovetails into the question, which are the subject matter of the 2 issues I'm going to deal with. Just a brief overview about the sovereignty question. And I divide it, sovereignty can be looked at in various different ways. There are many divisions, external, internal, political, legal. But I'm going to just talk about the political and legal sovereignty very briefly, these 2 issues. And as far as political sovereignty is concerned, there is no doubt that the other side has not even seriously challenged it. Political sovereignty rests with the Union. And the clearest indication of that is the preamble.
Union.
Political sovereignty rests with the Union. Qua the state. And a simple look at the preamble, my lord, would indicate that. The preamble of the 2, the Union and the federating unit of the state of Jammu and Kashmir, would reveal that. A point noted by Justice Nariman in the State Bank of India case. I mean, we'll kindly have a look first at our preamble very quickly. We, the people of India, having solemnly resolved to constitute India into a sovereign, the word sovereign is key, socialist, secular, democratic republic. Now, in contrast, the Constitution of Jammu and Kashmir has the following preamble. We, the people of state of Jammu and Kashmir, having solemnly resolved in pursuance of accession of this state to India, which took place on 26th October 1947, to further define the existing relationship of the state with the Union of India as an integral part thereof. So now the preamble itself makes no mention of sovereignty. In fact, the preamble is dealt with further defining the existing relationship of the state with the Union as an integral part thereof. So it's an acknowledgement of the Union's sovereignty over the state. This is political sovereignty. The Constitution was geared towards defining the relationship of Jammu and Kashmir for the Union as an integral part of the Union.
Yes.
And first and foremost, the permanent residents of the state of Jammu and Kashmir are citizens of India. Although Mr. Lord may sometimes behave that he's not, but In fact, he is. Now, I come to the question of legislation. Sorry. Legislative sovereignty is divided between the union and the state. And on a look at Article 370, which is the governing article of the relationship between the union and the state. Matters in the concurrent and union list acceded to by the then Maharaja